In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare a prior year return in TurboTax Online. If you found yourself needing to file taxes for a previous year, don't worry. TurboTax makes it easy, and I'm here to guide you through each step. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official TurboTax website. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a section that says File Your Taxes. Go ahead and click on that. This will direct you to the main area where you can choose the specific tax year you're looking to file for. You might be greeted with a lot of options, but stay focused. Our goal is to handle a past year's return. Next, look for the option labeled File Taxes for a Prior Year. This is your gateway to accessing the forms and tools necessary for completing a previous year's tax return. Clicking on this will bring you to a page dedicated to past year tax filings. Here, you'll find a range of TurboTax products tailored for different tax years. Now, if you're specifically looking to file for the tax year 2024, you'll need to select the appropriate TurboTax product from the list provided. Each product is designed to cater to different tax situations, whether you're self-employed, have investments, or simply need to file a straightforward return. It's essential to choose the right product to ensure you have all the necessary features to accurately complete your return. Once you've selected your product, you'll likely be prompted to either sign in or create a TurboTax account if you don't already have one. Having an account is beneficial as it allows you to save progress, access previous filings, and receive updates. After logging in, follow the on-screen instructions to enter your tax information. Remember, the process for a prior year return is similar to filing for the current year, as you'll need to input your income, deductions, and any credits you may qualify for. If you have all your documents ready, like your W-2s, 1099s, and any other relevant financial information, this step will go smoothly. Once you've entered all the necessary information, TurboTax will guide you through reviewing your return for accuracy. Take your time here to ensure everything is correct, as mistakes can cause delays or issues with the IRS. When you're confident that everything is accurate, you can proceed to file your return. Depending on your situation, you may have the option to file electronically, or you may need to print and mail your return. TurboTax will provide guidance based on the tax year and your specific circumstances. And that's it. You've successfully prepared a prior year return using TurboTax Online. By following these steps, you can confidently handle your past tax obligations with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy filing!